Hi there, this is John McLean, the CTO at NoahFace. In this video, we'll take a quick look at the awesome integration we have between NoahFace Shift and KeyPay. Let's get started. When we start Shift on the iPad, it automatically connects to KeyPay and retrieves the list of staff, rostered shifts, and timesheets. Once it's done that, Shift displays the home page, waiting for staff to arrive. Here you can display your corporate logo or any other image or short video. Okay, I'm going to step in front of the iPad and pretend I'm ready to start my shift. Since I'm already registered, when I present myself, it automatically recognizes me. I don't have a rostered shift today, so it's asking me if I want to start an unplanned one. This can be disabled if you only want to allow rostered shifts. From here, I can look at my recent and upcoming shifts, change my avatar or profile picture, or simply press the Start Shift button. That's it. With literally a single button press, I've clocked in. When I'm ready to go home, I just present myself again and press the End Shift button. Now let's have a look at what's happened behind the scenes in Shift. Only the supervisor can access these screens as they are passcode protected. On the Staff tab, you can see the list of employees and their current shift status. If I open up my record, I can see my details and my shifts. My last name is incorrect, so I'm going to fix it up. This local editing can be most useful if you want to add employees on the fly. However, you can disable it if you want. Let's take a look at today's shift on the 3rd of January. You can see that the photos have been automatically clipped and the start and end times have been captured. Let's now take a look at KeyPay. If we have a look at my employee details record, we'll see that both my surname and my profile picture have been updated. Now let's have a look at the time and attendance reports. In the attendance report, you can see the individual clocking events that have been captured in Shift, including the photos. In the Live View report, you can see these events being generated in real time. And finally, in the timesheet report, you'll see that a new timesheet's been generated as soon as I completed my shift. That's it for our basic integration, but there's one more scenario I'd like to show you. Let's imagine I'm a restaurant manager and I want to track what tasks employees are working on. I've configured Shift to display these tasks instead of just a Start Shift button. I can come back later in the day and select a different task to work on. And finally, at the end of the day, I can present myself again and press End Shift. Back in KeyPay, what we'll see in the Live View report is the initial clock in when I started my first task, a clock out immediately followed by a clock in when I changed tasks, and finally, a clock out when I ended my shift. For each activity, notice that the work type has been set to the corresponding task. That concludes the quick look at the NoahFace Shift and KeyPay integration. Thanks for watching.